skies around storms after midnight.
Serving the
Lows around 60.
listening area.
Chance of rain 30%. Monday, a slight chance of thunderstorms. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 12, effective until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. Severe thunderstorm watch number 12 for following counties: 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. Dallas, Denton, Dallas includes the following counties: Rockwall and Dallas. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds. The conditions are favorable to watch area of severe weather, while severe weather may not be damaging winds, and remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, severe weather statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio and commercial radio statements and possible warnings. To NOAA Weather Radio, stay tuned to commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The current time is 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. The current time is 4:45 p.m. You're listening to NOAA 4:45 Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service. Station 286.